Hello, my children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. So, today we will be doing lesson number 3 from our Rainbow Term 1 book, section English. Lesson number 3, the name of the lesson is A Visit to Zoo. The aim or objective behind reading this lesson is to know more about the kinds of animals live in the zoo and how they fed, cared and protected. Students, you will also learn about the importance of environment. Do you know which kind of animals do we find in the zoo? Wild animals. Yes, wild animals can be seen in the zoo. They are kept for public display. And do you know there are kinds of animals? Some are mammals, which are like human beings. Do you know, children? Human beings are also mammals, which give birth to their young ones. Same as there are some animals which gives birth to their young ones. They are called mammals. There are some animals which lives underwater like octopus, fishes, whales. These are called water animals. Apart from that, there are some animals which flies and these are called birds. Yes, you must have kept some pets at your home. They are called pet animals like dog, cats, rabbits and wild animals. They live in jungle and they are also be seen in the zoo like here. Have a look on your screen. I have kept some examples here of wild animals like leopard, zebra, crocodile, lion, hippopotamus, ostrich. Ostrich is a bird. Snake is a reptile. Like lizard, snake, these are reptiles. And one more thing, children, there are some insects which also comes under animals. Insects have 6 pair of legs like ants, honeybee, butterfly, etc. Okay, let's let's talk about some more wild animals. After snake, there is a deer, elephant, and a giraffe. Now, move on to the question that what is a zoo? Can you tell me what do you know about zoo? I will tell you. Zoo is also known as zoological garden and zoo is the short form of zoological garden where variety of animals live. Zoo is the house of animals where wild animals are kept for public display. Children, we should be very kind to all the animals. We should protect them, we should care for them. And it also provides recreation to us when we visit to a zoo. Do you know, children? Zoo is regulated and inspected by the government. So, let's get started with the chapter. Lesson number 3, A Visit to Zoo. Children, before beginning with the chapter, there is a small puzzle which is given on page number 19. And here you need to spot and circle the names of 7 animals that you are likely to see in a zoo. Yes, children, it is a very interesting crossword puzzle in which you have to find 7 animals downward and across, and you can also take the help from given pictures. I hope you have understood the activity, and also you can find more about these animals on Google Kids with the help of your parents. You can also watch Discovery Channel for some time in supervision of your parents. So let's get started with the reading of chapter. Children, first of all, take out page number 20. Put today's date, which is 1st of May 2020. Also write today's day, which is Friday, and on extreme right corner, put classwork. Now, let's begin reading the chapter. Have you ever visited a zoo? Children, have you ever visited a zoo? Now, you must be thinking, what is zoo? What is this term all about? Zoo is a park in which all kinds of animals lived, fed, cared, and protected. Yes, you are right. You can also go to look on those animals. Let's get started. Read to learn more about Simran and Nikhil's visit to a zoo. You all have to read along with ma'am. Simran and Nikhil are going to the zoo with their parents. There are many animals in the zoo. They reach at the gate of the zoo and hear a lion's roar. What is that? Asked Simran. It is the lion's roar, says Daddy. He takes the children to the lion's den. Daddy tells them a male lion has a mane. The baby of a lion is called cub. Daddy, Simran and Nikhil see the elephants. An elephant takes the banana. Simran and Nikhil give him with its trunk. The children are happy. There are beautiful birds also in the zoo. Look at the peacock, says Nikhil. It has a beautiful tail. Simran and Nikhil sit in a park with their parents. Which is your favorite animal? Simran asks Nikhil. I like the tortoise, says Nikhil. He carries his home on his back. I like the zebra best, says Simran. They wear pajamas. Mummy, Daddy, and Nikhil laugh at this. We will be doing the back exercise of this lesson. Now we will start with fun with words. Take out page number 22. Look at question number A. Break and learn, read and spell. Now you can read, spell and learn these words by just breaking them. First word is parents. L-A for ant, elephant. Favorite, tortoise. Yes, this is the right pronunciation of tortoise. We usually speak like this, tortoise, but the correct pronunciation is tortoise. question number B, fill in the blanks. We have already read and understood the chapter. Now you will be able to answer these fill-ups very easily. First, Simran and Nikhil saw a dash first at the zoo. What did Simran and Nikhil see first at the zoo? Yes, lion. They saw lion first at the zoo. So we need to write the spelling of lion, which is Lion. Next, a baby lion is called a cub. You are right. Cub, cub. The dash carries his home on his back. Tortoise. Tortoise carries his bag on his back. Dash is Nikhil's favorite animal. Which is Nikhil's favorite animal, children? Yes, tortoise is Nikhil's favorite animal. Now, question number C on page number C part. Match the following. Now, in this question, there are some pictures given over here with some specific description, and you need to match the following with the correct description. So, let's do it together. First is the picture of peacock, and peacock is a bird with a beautiful tail. So, match the picture of peacock with option D. Next is the picture of an elephant, and an elephant is an animal with a big trunk. So, match the picture of elephant with option C. Now, this is a picture in which lots of animals are there. So, we need to match it with, pair it up with option B, a place with lots of animals. Fourth is a picture of a zebra. Zebra is an animal with stripes on his body. Match the picture of zebra with option A. Next question. Grammar in use. Use of is, am and are. We have learned the use of is, am, are in our previous class. So now it will be very easier for you to fill in the blanks using is, am, are. We all know that saying is used with a singular noun or pronoun. Is the friend of he, she, it, and anyone's name. And am is the best friend of I am. And are is used with plural. Plural means many. Noun or pronoun. Are is the best friend of you, we, they. So, let's begin with this question. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. First, he dash going to the market. Now, what do we use with he? Yes, he is a singular pronoun, and we use is with singular noun or pronoun. We dash writing in our books. We means one, more than one. So we use are with we. I dash very happy today. Who is the best friend of I am? So I am very happy today. It dash a beautiful flower. It is a beautiful flower. They dash enjoying watching animals. There is a pronoun which is in plural form. So we use are with they. So it will become like this. They are enjoying watching animals. Now I have also added page number 24 as your homework. Put today's date, day and homework on this page. I will also explain you what you have to do in this page. Listen to the given words and repeat them. Add two or more words to each group. There are some sounds given here like sm, sm, sn, and sp. Similarly, some words are also given here of each given sounds like sm, small, smart, sn, snake, snail, spur, space, speak, and you all have to read these sound words aloud, and you need to write some extra words of these similar sounds. Speaking skills. Complete the conversation. Now you need to complete the given conversation on this page. Question 1. Have you ever seen the zoo? Write the answer here in the given row. Which is your favorite animal? What does its baby called? And where does it live? This is all about today's class. Thank you so much, kids. Hope you all have understood this chapter very well with its back exercise. Till then, see you soon. Stay home, stay safe. Hey children, now it's your turn. Tell me quickly, what did you learn from the lesson? Yes, we have learned about the term zoological garden. And the short form of zoological garden is zoo, where the wild animals are kept for public display. And we have also learned that we should be very kind and gentle towards all the animals. Yes, we should feed them and care for them. Zoo is a place where all sorts of animals can be seen. And which zoo list we have nurtured? Yes, we have nurtured humane, that we should develop love for our environment, and we should be kind and gentle towards all the animals. Thank you so much, children. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. I hope you all have understood the concept of zoo very well.